Hey guys, I'm Gabe and I'm traveling to every country in this world, and right now I'm in El Salvador. I arrived here yesterday evening, took a quick walk around, had some tacos for dinner, and now I'm in the city center with the National Library behind me, the National Palace right here, and also a big church. I'm gonna spend this day in the city, and then tomorrow and the next 14 days I'm gonna rent a car and explore the actual countryside, the volcanoes and mountains, the beaches, and everything else that there is to see. There's so many pigeons here. Whenever someone throws around food, they all come flying. Asistencia de China para un futuro compartido. This is more like a tourist site than an actual education facility at this moment. They can play Minecraft and Super Mario and Lego Batman. I've seen a handful of school classes in here, but I don't think that the majority of people going into this library is here to study anything. They're just looking at their new addition to the city. And then when you go outside, they're looking at the beautiful church. This is actually a very nice church. It's impressive how big it is. It's probably bigger than the library, bigger than the National Palace, bigger than everything in the city center. Estos son pupusas. ¿Quieres dar dos? Uno de
Chicharrón y frijoles, lo único es.
uno de frijoles y uno de queso.
¿De queso? ¿Solo queso?
Sí.
Vale, ya la vamos a hacer.
I also bought this drink. I don't know what it is. But it's very sweet and tastes a little bit like cinnamon. I didn't even know how much I paid for this. I think it was like $2.50. They're so hot. Get some coconut water. ¿Puedo agarrar uno?
Ese sí. Sí, Lupita. Sí,
Ajo 3 por $1. Ajo 3 por $1.
No necesito ajo, gracias. ¿Por $1 cuántos? Dos. Ok, pues. Yo las llevo en esa bolsa.
¿Qué le dicen en inglés?
Avocado. Aguacate, avocado. Avocado. Gracias. Gracias. ¿Eso qué es?
chocolate.
Chocolate. Y lo vendes así en un...
$1.
¿Y es dulce?
$1, sí.
Gracias. Ciao. I have never seen chocolate sold like this. So I have 4 avocados, 3 mangoes, 1 dragon fruit, and a ball of chocolate for $5 total. I have this weird ball of, I don't know, something chocolate. It's heavy. I guess it tastes like chocolate. But it's very grainy and very sweet. It's nothing like store-bought chocolate though. But it's interesting. It's not bad, but also it's not particularly good. Bueno, ¿puedo comprar 10? ¿Sí? $1 for some rambutans. I ordered an Uber now to go to the first of the destinations I actually want to go to in this country. The Uber was about $5, and the place we're going to now is called the Devil's Door. This is La Puerta del Diablo. Whoa. You have a glass bridge and then whoosh. This is beautiful. Mountains on both sides, viewing platform there. And I think you can go like down somewhere along here too. Okay, so what should we do first? I guess go up on this viewing platform, up there. And then fly around with drone, climb up all the way to the top. Sounds like a plan. Got a El Salvador pin already. And if you ever wondered why there's no more $1 coins in the United States, it's because they're all in Central and South America.
Added to the collection.
This is the way up. And this is the way down.
The rope.
The sunset from up here must be crazy. And down here you also have a cave sort of. Now let's go down to the cave. They cut in a bench into the stone. You need a guide to go up the other two mountaintops, and you have to pay $3 for, and then they leave every hour. We came from all the way down here. I took the drone out for a quick flight around the entire area and to film for the new YouTube channel I made. So that's gonna look very cool. I got some sorbet and then I'm heading back to the city. This is tamarind, coconut and sapote.